Morning. This is Bama. Rain like hell. It's a little after 8 o'clock in the morning. It's going to screw up my day. I need to mow the yard. Don't look like I'm going to get to do that. Got off work. Having a beer. Actually, this is my second. Damn, it's raining now. Home by myself. Probably just go in and sleep. Been working all night. I'll make a little video. It was thundering pretty loud. I was hoping it might thunder and lightning for you. Yep, these bushes need to be trimmed. Yard needs to be mowed. Water standing. This is the backyard, the patio. Wind done blow my chair over. It's raining pretty good. Want y'all see my killers. There's killer number 1. I think she's trying to bite me in the balls or something. Hey, get over here. Killer number 2. Want in that house bad. You ain't coming in. Nasty rodents. Ain't nobody in there. What you scratching? I'm right here. That's a Maltese, if y'all want to know. And that's of course, she won't stand still long enough. That's a miniature dachshund. Her name's Ashes. And her name is Precious. No, I didn't name her. My daughter did. Get off that door. Well, I need to do some yard work. Oh, jugger tail. That's what I do all my cooking. I like to get out here and cook. Sit in the chair. I got a little fireplace. That's what that is right there. And I got a TV outside. I watch the ball game and cook, drink beer, stuff like that. Hope it quits raining, so I'm going to cook some chicken tonight on the grill. Hope I get to cook. Otherwise, I'll be bored. Kids will be here, but they're usually in their rooms. Anyway, y'all have a good one. Talk to y'all later when I think of something else to video.